Hello everyone, I am Saitin. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the RGB lighting in the POCO F3 GT device. So how you can actually use this kind of lighting and what are the settings we do have with this kind of RGB lighting in this POCO F3 GT. And this is another most requested question in my channel, that how to utilize this kind of RGB lighting and under what conditions the RGB lighting does work. So that is what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. So first let's go to the settings option, so where you can actually find the special features. So under the special features, there's the option called which is the LED light, as you can see. So once you tap on the LED light, you can actually see different options which are available here, as you can see. First thing is to turn on the LED light. Obviously we'll try to turn on, and second, there is no option. If you want, you can schedule the time as well in case, but I don't want to schedule it anyway. But next is the keep on while charging. This is so much unique kind of charging. I'll try to explain you why. If the battery percentage is below 20%, the LED light will be glowing in the red color. If the battery percentage reaches above 20% while charging, it will turn into yellow color, and in this way the colors will be keep on changing. By the end you will see the green color. Yes, that is what the unique style about this RGB colors in this POCO F3 GT. It varies with the charging speed as well. That's the one thing you should definitely observe. While you are charging the phone, you will definitely see the colors will change from time to time. And next is you can use for the incoming calls as well and for notifications as well. Not only that, you can actually select individual applications, for what applications you want the notification, for what application you want RGB light to be blinking. But one disadvantage, not disadvantage, maybe one feature which is not included is selecting what RGB you want. So that's the one thing which is not present at this moment. For example, if I try to go to the select applications and messages, so if I try to go on messages, there should be an option showing me to select the blue color, maybe green color, maybe red color for particular each and every message. In this way, you'll be able to identify what application you got the notification. For example, for the WhatsApp, if you try to set the green color, so every time you see the green color, you will remember, okay, it's a WhatsApp message. For Facebook, if it comes the blue color, you will get to know it's a Facebook blue color messenger, and Gmail red color. So in this way, if they add this kind of feature in the next update, that will be really great to utilize this kind of RGB lighting. That will be really good. And next thing is the using the game turbo. Some of the users did mention that they were unable to use this RGB lighting while using the game turbo. I'll try to show you exactly. Let me try to turn on the game turbo right now. Right now game turbo is on completely and there is no RGB lighting effect, but let's see. I'll try to play some game. Let's play the Battlegrounds mobile game, which a lot of users are actually playing. Right now, as you can see, as soon as I open the game, it started to blink the light when I started to open the game. As you can see, friends, so the only thing is that you may not be able to see it, but it comes sometimes and it goes. Yeah, by the time you turn the phone back, the light will go away. So there is no information that when exactly the light will blink, when you're firing or when you're trying to zoom in the scope. I'm not sure, but I'll try to do the testings right now. Now the match is started, as you can see. Now there's no light is not glowing at all when you're using the game turbo. The only moment the game, while using game turbo, it glowed when you're trying to open the games. So only then I think the lights will glow. But after that, I'm trying to use this button. I'll be ready to start the game. I'm trying to press, and even though I'm trying to, yes, as you can see, now the RGB light started to glow. I'm trying to, now I did use the scope just now, and I'm trying to fire.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Yes, my bad. Now I think. Now I'm trying to fire using this button, but RGB lights are not glowing. No. As you can see, friends, the RGB lights are not glowing now. I'm not sure why. No. I'm not sure at what scenario the RGB lights will be glowing in this phone. That's one thing which I need to check. And now it's not glowing. No. I think this is the only possible way I can show you whether lights are blinking or not by using the other phone's front camera. I'm trying to use the phone and now try to observe, friends. I think no, the RGB lights not glowing. I'm not sure when the RGB lights are exactly glowing at this moment. I cannot understand exactly. When not now, even when I shoot as well, I cannot see any kind of, no, I cannot see any lighting at all. As you can see friends, I cannot see any kind of light glowing right now. No, let me to go back. I'm trying to exit the match and just try to show you what is happening. And I'm trying to start the match again. No. So yes, I think now the lights are glowing. Sorry. Let me try to go back. So whenever I open the game turbo notification, as you can see friends, whenever I open the game turbo notification, then the lights are glowing. So yes, the lights now they started to glow. As you can see, when I open the game turbo only. Sorry, I am not sure exactly how to show it, but it's yes, now as you can see friends, clearly in this kind of location. So when you're trying to play the game, the lights are not glowing. No. And this is another game which I did add into the game space. Let me try to open this game and show you the back side. So let's see whether we'll get the LED notification or not. Yes. So when you're opening the games, you are getting the LED notification obviously. But when you're using the triggers, you don't get any kind of LED notification. You don't get. So but when you try to use the game turbo, then you get the LED notification light. When you're trying to use this game turbo features, this complete notification panel, only in that way you'll be able to experience a notification. I wish they could have included this kind of mechanism like when you're trying to shoot and scope, maybe they might do that maybe in the next update, but I'm not sure. At least for the fire button, when you're trying to use the fire button, it should be kind of red color, and when you're trying to use the scope, this right side one, maybe some blue color, something like that. They can definitely do that with the software, but let's see friends whether they'll try to add this kind of benefits or not. So now let me just show you the sample thing by calling to this phone, just to show you how the lights will be blinking when I'm trying to make a call. So right now I'm trying to make a call to this phone, so anytime we'll be able to see, as you can see. So these are the notification of the RGB looks when I'm receiving any kind of calls. As you can see friends, it's not bad. So all this kind of different colors. So there are multiple colors available. So they should give the option to customize for each and every application. Hopefully they might do in the future, but let's see what will happen. But it's really cool friends, it's really cool. So now let me try to use normal message. Let's send the message and see what will happen if you try to send the messages. That is what I'm going to check. So right now I'm trying to send the message. As you can see, you did see the red color blinking suddenly, and let's see what happening. And I did receive the message, and I'm not seeing any kind of notification light at this moment. Yes, now I did see the notification light. So after some time, now the light is blinking, as you can see friends. So in this way it will blink. As you can see the light. So this light is blinking only because I did receive the notification. That is the reason the light is blinking. That's the one thing. And let me try to show you another thing. Let's see, by trying to keep in the ring volume. I'm trying to keep in the ringing mode. As you can see friends, completely ringing mode only. I'm trying to keep it just to see in the ringing mode whether the LED light will be working or not. So I did see this thing, when the phone is in ring mode, the LED lights doesn't work, RGB lights. So that's the reason I thought of doing this kind of testing. So I'm trying to send the message, so we might be able to hear the sound as well. Yes, we got the message. Now let's see. Now the phone is in the ring mode, whether we'll be able to get the RGB lighting or not. Yes, we are getting. Yes. So sometimes it's kind of inconsistent. Sometimes I think out of 10 tries, only 2 or 1 time I did not get the LED notification light blinking when I receive the messages. Sometimes, but not all the time, friends. Only few times I'm trying to say. As soon as you see you turn on the power and you see the message, let's see what will happen with the RGB lights stay or not. I think they are gone. Yes. So they're not anymore. So as soon as you turn on the screen, the RGB light indication will be completely disabled. That's a kind of good thing to save the battery as well, obviously. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick complete review on the RGB lighting in this POCO F3 GT. And while using the game turbo, you can only get while using game turbo notification only. That's the one thing which is you should know. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.